everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got another advent calendar to unbox with you, and I've got NYX. This is a makeup only advent calendar, and this is the Diamonds and Ice Please, and inside here contains 24 of their best-selling products. The packaging is stunning. It is so pretty. I have been getting NYX advent calendars for the last couple of years, and every single year the packaging blows me away. Very simple, but just really beautiful. I really like it. Most of the items are lipsticks and eyeshadows, and there's a few other extras as well. So I'm going to be unboxing this, opening up every single door, just so that you can see what you will receive if you were to opt for this advent calendar. The cost of this advent calendar is £50, and I bought it off very.co.uk. All links and everything related to this calendar I'll pop down below. Plus I've got some other links to my Christmas advent calendar, huge list that I'm creating on Facebook of advent calendars that are available to pre-order and purchase now, which is updated daily. So I'll pop a link there as well. So yeah, so let's get on to unboxing it and seeing what we got inside. This is really hard to spot, actually. It's so hard to spot the numbers. Oh, number one at the top here. Got a lipstick. So this is a matte lipstick in shade Perfect Red. I absolutely love NYX lipsticks. They had a calendar, I think it was 2 years ago, and it was, oh, is it called Lippy Countdown? I can't remember now. Oh, it's amazing. There were some dodgy lip colours in there, but there was a ton of like firm favourites. So I'm going to try these lipsticks out. That's why my lips are looking pretty bare. So Perfect Red. That is a gorgeous lipstick. It's quite a thick lipstick, but it's creamy, so it does go onto your lips really well, and it's not patchy. I think it's gorgeous. I love reds anyway. I've got a huge selection of reds and I do like them. So yeah, this is just gorgeous. Perfect shade of red for me. So yes, so that's day number one. It goes in order. I just worked it out. It goes in order, so it's easier for me. So day number two up here. Ooh. And we've got a Born to Glow liquid illuminator, and this is 13 mils. Now I'm actually wearing the NYX Born to Glow foundation on my face today. I haven't tried anything else from that range, so I'm really excited to have this to see what it's like. As long as it's not too sparkly, glittery, but this is in shade Sunbeam. Try a little bit on my hand. That is quite pretty. It's got a pink undertone, so it'll be more of a brightening effect on your skin. It's a very subtle shimmer. Can you see there? It's a very subtle shimmer. That is something that I would gravitate towards if I was looking for an illuminator like this. So this is a liquid illuminator in shade Sunbeam. Day number three over here. And we've got another lipstick. And this is a soft matte lip cream. And what shade? In Cans. I love their lip creams. Oh, that is a stunning shade. That is gorgeous. I'm going to take off the red and then I'll apply this. Another gorgeous one. These lip creams are so effortless to apply. They just glide on super easy, and oh, they're just so nice. I do love the NYX lipstick. So gorgeous colours. What is this again? This was in shade Cans. Yeah, I like it. I like it. So that's day number three. Number four up the top here. Got an eyeshadow, and we got Glam Purple. Glam Purple. I'll just take that off. There. That looks really pretty. Try a little bit on my hand. Oh, that is really pretty. It's a very subtle purple. Can you see? Very subtle purple. That is really nice. That would make a gorgeous sort of halo eye or an inner corner highlight. Got an eyeshadow, number four. Number five up here. Oh, what have we got here? Oh, I've had this before. This is a NYX This Is Everything lip scrub. And I've had that in an advent calendar maybe last year. I give these to my daughter. I like the really nice fruity ones. I keep them for myself. But ones like these, I give it to my daughter. Look at that colour. It's an exfoliator, lip scrub. Put my finger in it. Sorry, Jasmine. She'd be like, oh, put your finger in everything, Mum. It's a very light scrub, very, very light scrub, but it smells gorgeous. So that's day number 5. Day number 6. Got another lipstick. We got a butter gloss this time, and this is in shade Angel Food Cake. Oh, that looks very similar to what I'm wearing now, but a bit more of a pinky tone. So I'll just get this one off. This is pretty. It's not as opaque as the others. It is a lip gloss, or a butter gloss as they call it. It's got a very subtle shade, and yeah, I think it's just pretty. My lips are going to need a bit of gloss on them after trying all these lipsticks out. Number 7. We got another eyeshadow, and this is in shade Crystal. That's really pretty. It's like a metallic gold shade. It is. It's almost like a gunmetal gold, if that makes sense. Maybe you'll be able to see there's a slight colour shift there, and you can see the other one's still above it. They're really pretty shades, aren't they? Yeah, I like that one. I really like that one a lot. So we've got an eyeshadow in Crystal. Number 8. And we got one of my favourite products from NYX. It's a lip oil. They are amazing, amazing. I use these lip oils when I'm applying a really mattifying lipstick. You know, the type of ones that are solid on your lips, but they look kind of dry, too dry. I always grab one of these. Just really, really lovely. So this is Everything, a lip oil. Some of them do have like different shades, like a hint of a shade in them, but no, this says it's sheer. So it's just a clear lip oil there. Yeah, it is clear. It's completely clear. 100% recommend these because they are really, really good. So is that. Back down over here, number 9. Have we got another lip oil? Got another lip oil? Hopefully it's something different. This is Sheer Blush. So this one will have a little bit of a tint in it. Okay then. Oh yeah, you can see the shade there. So it's a lip oil with a bit of a tint in there. Again, that's really pretty, just to give your lips a little bit of a pink flush. I think that's gorgeous. So there's that. You're going to go for another oil? Number 10. No, it's something longer. I can't find the opening. Oh, at the top here. And we've got another Born to Glow illuminator, a liquid illuminator, and this is in Gleam. So this is going to be more of a bronzed one. The other one was more of a like sort of pinky, cool undertone. So this is going to be more warm. That's more noticeable. That is definitely more noticeable. That is really pretty again. Yeah, this is not one that I would wear. It's a bit too much for me. I could try it as a highlighter though and just put it on my like high points here or on my shoulders or something like that for a night out. But yeah, much prefer the other one. Number 11, we've got another lipstick. This is a soft matte lip cream in shade Rome. Ooh, a little bit darker there. There, that's what it looks like there. So let's get this off then. That's a really nice colour as well. I was expecting it to be darker, but it wasn't. I had to apply 2 layers on my lips. The first application left it quite patchy, but it feels gorgeous. Yeah, it just feels really, really gorgeous. So yeah, so far I'm loving all the lipsticks. No dodgy, strange shades. Like in the past we've had black, we've had navy, and we've had grey and things like that, which is fine, but not for me anyway, everyday use. But no, so far I'm really happy. So there's that one. Number 12. We've got a lip balm. This is Everything, and this is a lip loving balm. And it's, yeah, no shade or scent, smell or anything there, but I'll open it up and show you. You can see the ring light getting in the way. No, no scent. Not that I can smell anyway. No, that's clear. Very, very slightly tinted. You're not going to notice much different at all on your lips. But there's no scent there. So we've got a lip balm. Number 13. And oh, we've got a powder. We've got a HD finishing powder. This is a mineral based powder in shade Translucent. I don't think I've tried any of their face powders before. Yeah, it's a translucent powder. It feels nice. As far as a powder goes, you're not going to see anything. It just feels really nice and soft on my skin. But the proof is in the wear, isn't it? So I'll give that a go and see what that is like. Number 14, over here. We've got another lipstick. Oh, the lid's stuck in there. So we've got another matte lipstick, like the first lipstick I had in red. And this is in shade Natural. Ooh, just get this off. Again, gorgeous application, really easy to apply, really thick and creamy. It's just a stunning, stunning formula. The colour is all right. It's not really me. It's not a type of shade I normally wear. Nothing wrong with it, but it's just a little bit too pinky for me. But it's pretty. It is pretty. It's not like a luminous pink or anything like that, or too pale, you know, or, you know, lipsticks that tend to look like concealers on your lips. It's not like that at all, but I do think it's pretty, but it's just a little bit too pink for me. So yeah, so we got lipstick. Number 15, got another lip gloss. And this is in shade Creme Brulee. I think I've had this one before. I'm sure I've had this one before. You can see there. Right, I'll take this off and I'll show you. It's very pale, isn't it? It feels gorgeous. I think it's because of the matte lipsticks I've had on previously, but oh, it's just so lovely on the lips. But these butter glosses are amazing. I don't remember this shade actually. I thought it was something else, but yeah, it's very pretty. It's a barely there shade, but it is a little bit pale. I think it's a type of lipstick I would wear with really matte, dark, smoky eyes, maybe. Having a bit of a contrast. But yeah, so you got that. Number 16, got another eyeshadow. Woo! And I just opened it and put my nail in there. It's more of a copper shade, so we've got Golden Bronze. Using my nail. Yeah, that's pretty, isn't it? Whoa! That is beautiful. Look at that. That is a really, really pretty shade. Oh, I love that. It's got an eyeshadow. Number 17, down here. And we got another eyeshadow. And is it the same? No, it's not the same, but they look similar. Just thinking they couldn't have put two of the same items in there. But no, this is Bronzed Goddess. So it is very, very similar, but it's different. Little bit brighter, maybe? That is weird. Can you see? That's the one I've just applied now, and that's the one I did just before. Looking at them here, they look identical. That is weird. That is so weird. So yeah, I got two of the same eyeshadows, although they've got different names. Okay then, number 18. I've got another matte lipstick, and this is in shade Siren. Ooh, so it's a dark one. Oh my word. Yep. A dark plum lipstick. Let's try this. That is gorgeous. I do need a bit of a lip liner because I haven't done the tidiest of jobs. It is a stunning colour. It is beautiful. It is dark, and I've only got small lips, so darker colours don't tend to suit my lips that well, but I don't care. I think that is really pretty. So yeah, so we've got a matte lipstick there. Getting closer to the end. Number 19. Got another lipstick. And this is another matte lipstick. And this is Whipped Caviar. Same packaging. Oh, that's nice. Although it looks pretty similar to another lipstick. I'll go on, have a look now. It looks very similar to Natural. The matte lipstick in Natural. There is a slight difference, but not much, is there? Oh my word. Why would they do that? Why would they put a similar shade? Same with that eyeshadow, you know? Why would you do that? You'd want to put something completely different. I'll try this. Lips still feeling okay-ish. Alright, make sure I have picked up the right one now. Yeah, Whipped Caviar. It just feels so, so nice. I love these mattes. They are so creamy and gorgeous. I really, really love them. I don't know. I don't know if there's any difference. I do like the colour though, I do like it, so it's not completely wasted, but I'm just going to do a bit of a swatch to see the difference between the two. So what can I do? I'll do a little bit there. So that's the whipped caviar, and this is the natural. Yeah, there is a bit of a difference in tone. The natural has more of a pinkier tone, but they are so similar, aren't they? So similar. Very, very odd. Number 20. Oh, you got another eyeshadow. Oh, this is pretty. This is a red tone. So this is rose gold. That is really pretty. I like that. It's like a rose gold copper. That is really pretty. All the eyeshadows are shades that I would wear. So I'm really, really happy with them so far. I do prefer a palette. I tend to use palettes more than individuals, but if I do really like the colours, then I will pick them up and use them. 21. And we've got, I thought it was a black lipstick, but it's not. It's a HD Studio Photogenic. Oh, it's an eyeshadow base. And I've got 4.7 mils here. So it's an eyeshadow base. Ooh, I haven't tried this either before. There, you can see a little bit there. As far as an eyeshadow base goes, yeah, it does feel quite nice. So that's something new for me. An eyeshadow base. Number 22. Got another eyeshadow. We've got a pure gold one here. This is antique gold. Another pretty one. See how yellow that is. I'll do it on my knuckles. Wow. Wow. That would be gorgeous to use to do like a sunset eye look with oranges and browns and then yellows. Oh, that's stunning. So there's that. Day number 23. Got another lipstick. Got another body butter. Not body butter, butter gloss. And this is in shade Tiramisu. They remind me, see, of the ones I really love. Like the Tres Leches one, which I can't get anymore, but it looks more pinky here. Okay, I'll just take this off. I absolutely love this. It feels gorgeous on my lips. My lips were in need of some gloss. They're starting to feel all tingly now. But yeah, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. Just a really nice, easy shade to wear. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with this. So that's day number 23. Day number 24 then, the very last in this advent calendar. And doesn't want to get opened. And we've got, ooh. We've got a pore filler, and this is a primer, and this is 11 mils. Oh, I haven't tried this either. Squirted a little bit out there. But yeah, I love the applicators. Oh, it reminds me very much of an Urban Decay one that I loved, and I think it's discontinued now. It's a pink one. Is it a pore filling one? I can't remember the name. Yeah, I loved that one. I really, really loved it. I've got quite noticeable pores and I hate them. So anything that helps disguise them, I'm all for it. I really like the Smashbox primers. They are fab as well. But yeah, does it contain silicone? It feels like it does. It doesn't say, but yeah, probably it does. But I'm all right with silicone. So looking all over the floor, I've got a big selection of lipsticks and eyeshadows, and then I've got a couple of face bases like Illuminators and lip scrubs and lip balms and the pore filler. I think for £50 this is a nice calendar. I wouldn't say it's a wow calendar, but I do think it's a nice calendar. The shades are gorgeous. There's nothing there that I'll be like, no, pass on straight away, which is good, which is what you want in an advent calendar. But I do feel like we're not getting as much as what we used to, and I don't know why I think that. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this advent calendar? Is it something that you've got on your list that you want to buy, or now that you've seen this you've decided nope, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. Also going to be unboxing the NYX 12-day advent calendar as well, so that should be up in the next couple of days. But yeah, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.